My name is Britney. I'm an EEU Ambassador, and for today's Faculty Spotlight, I'm going to be interviewing Professor Milstein. I'm going to direct it over to you to introduce yourself and also introduce a little bit more about your ROP as a remote experiential learning opportunity.
My name's Joshua Milstein. I'm a physicist in the Department of Chemical and Physical Sciences, and I have a number of students working within the lab on super resolved microscopy, which we use to count molecules inside of cells.
Amazing. So, Prof. Milstein, how does the remote nature of the course enrich the student experience?
Well, much of our research is related to computational techniques, whether we're using artificial intelligence or other image analysis techniques to do this work. And so it adapts very nicely to the online environment.
Right, so it seems to be quite flexible and adaptable to current remote learning. What feedback have you received thus far from students or other partners?
I think most of the students would like to work in the lab. I'd like to see them in the lab as well, but given the current circumstances, the computational nature of all of the work seems to be going well. So fairly positive.
Right, that's great to hear. So for students that are considering a remote EL course, do you have any advice for them?
I would just make sure that they find a project that's going to motivate them, because so much of a remote learning experience has to be self-motivated. And there's nothing that motivates a student more than something they're excited about.
Right, and I'm sure that students watching this are going to be super excited for enrolling in an ROP, maybe even yours. So thank you so much for your time today. For folks watching at home, please direct yourself to the EEU website for more information. But again, Prof. Milstein, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.